Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for auto body shop business. Suppose you run an auto body shop business in which you receive a lot of repair requests, damaged photos and appointment schedules over calls. So handling these over calls can be very time consuming. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the Chatflow that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me first show you how it works in a real-time example. And to do that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. We have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send hello. And immediately the chatbot will respond us with welcome to auto body repair. I can help you request repair, share damaged photos or book an appointment without any phone calls. What would you like to do? So here I'm going to request a repair. Let's get you a repair estimate. What type of damage is it? So here I'm going to send dent. Have you uploaded photos already? No. Please upload clear photos of damage from different angles. Make sure to include close-ups and full view of the affected area. So here I'm going to send them an image. I've sent them an image and they respond me with, thanks, we have received the images. Our team will review and get back to you with a detailed estimate. You can also directly send photos or book an appointment from this chatbot. Now let's begin the procedure of creating this chatbot. This chatbot was created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow. It will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. Since I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will see all apps provided by Pabbly. We need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant, like WhatsApp Chatbot for Auto Body Shop Business. Now you can see there is a flow start box on the screen, under which there is an option to enter keywords. This is used to enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is a short term of regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to filter specific text. Regex will safely trigger on every keyword, either it is a short text, full paragraph, messy inputs or clean inputs. It will trigger on every keyword. To use regex, you need to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message. And to do that, we need to access the text button. And this message box will appear in front of us. Here I'm going to add, our message will look something like this. Hi there, welcome to Auto Body Repair. I can help you request repair, share damaged photos or book an appointment without any phone calls. What would you like to do? Now we are going to give them some quick reply options. Here I'm adding car damage photos. And also I'm going to add request a repair. And lastly, I'm going to add book appointment. It will look something like this. Once you're done generating your first message, you have to link it to the flowchart box. Now we are going to create a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with car damage photos. And to do that, we need to access action type notes and then we need to click on Ask Media. And this media question box will arrive in front of us. Here I'm adding, please upload clear photos of the damage from the different angles. Make sure to include close-ups and a full view of the affected area. Here there is an option to select media type, and in media type I am selecting image. Number of attempts I am going to give them. From this field you can give multiple attempts to the user. Here I am giving 5 attempts. There is a validation message. I am going to leave this empty. Now I'm going to attach it with the quick reply. And once user has sent us the pictures, we are going to respond them with, here I'm adding, thanks, we have received the images. Our team will review and get back with you with a detailed estimate. Now we can move ahead with our second response. Request a repair. Access a text button. Here I'm adding, let's get you a repair estimate. Please answer a few quick questions. What type of damage is it? And here I'm going to add some quick replies. For example, dent or paint issue or other. And then we are going to access the text button again. And here I'm adding, have you uploaded the photos already? And then we are going to give them quick reply options as yes and no. Once you've created your message, attach it with all of the quick reply options. And if they choose the no option, that is they haven't uploaded the pictures, then we are going to ask them for pictures. And if they says that they have uploaded the pictures, then we are going to send them, thanks, we have received the images. Our team will review and get back to you with a detailed estimate. Lastly, we are going to create a response for book appointment. We are going to access the question box, and here I will write, when would you like to visit our shop for inspection or repair? And here you can see there is an option to add contact custom field. To select the contact custom field, we need to go to the settings and we have to choose this third option, contact custom fields. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you've created your contact custom fields, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select date. You can give number of attempts. I'm going to give 3 attempts and I'm going to leave the validation box empty. Link your question with the book appointment reply And lastly, let's create a thank you message for this question box. Here I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm adding appointment scheduled, date $ad. This $ad will be replaced by the actual date sent by the user. Lastly, we will say thank you for your time, and this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for auto body shop business, which will handle repair requests and book appointments automatically without any call. Now you can create your own WhatsApp chatbot using the same procedure that I have shown in this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.